खुदी को कर बुलंद इतना कि खुदा बंदे से खुद पूछे, बता तेरी रजा क्या है।
Absolutely magnificent. Dhoni finishes off in style. A magnificent strike into the crowd. India lift the World Cup.
It is quite a befitting shade for Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Friends, my today's video is about a living legend, MS Dhoni, who has recently taken retirement from international cricket. Now, Dhoni might not be a part of Indian cricket team, but his contribution to Indian cricket can never be forgotten. The traits which made Dhoni a great star and celebrity from a common man should be known by all youngsters. Also tell me which characteristic of Dhoni matches with yours and post it in the comment box. So, stay with me and watch this video till the end. He has always been a dynamic leader, a good human being and the best player altogether. During his captaincy, he united the junior and the senior members of the team, due to which they won the maximum number of matches. The other trait of his character is that he always followed his heart. There are many examples of the same in his personal and professional life. His father always wanted him to go for a job. Dhoni opted to go for it, but his passion towards cricket was keen and always alive in his heart, and he followed his passion and later created history in the world of cricket. Likewise, once he gave chance to a new bowler during T20 World Cup final, he followed his heart and showed trust in his player. This proved to be a turning point and his team won the match. He played like a fighter and never gave up. He always would fight till the last ball of the match and thus has always been known as the best finisher of the game. In his personal life also, there were circumstances which could have deviated him from his goal and persuaded him to leave cricket, but he emerged like a star and never gave up. He has been the best performer even when he was under pressure. In the most stressful situations, he maintained his cool and focused on his game. Rather, his performance always improved and he outshined even in adverse situations. Team India won many matches even in the last few balls because of his great efforts and genius. He is an exemplary character. He presented an example to his team by always reaching first in practice sessions. His self-confidence and sense of responsibility is matchless. He was so full of self-confidence that many times in the last over of the match, he kept the strike for himself without taking a run, even when he knew he might be criticized if his decision was proved to be wrong. He has always focused on his game. His focus and agility is such that even the brilliant players are surprised when they get out stumped by MS Dhoni. Humility is the other great characteristic of MS Dhoni. Even after becoming a big celebrity, he has always been humble and respectful to each member of the team, and thus by being united, they brought laurels to the country by winning 2 World Cup and Champions Trophy. What we must learn from him is that he kept on learning lessons from his failures. Though initially he faced failures in series but accepted them with positivity and courage and learnt lessons from them and rectified his shortcomings.
Dhoni finishes off.
Last but not the least, I must say that even after becoming a successful player, he never stopped learning. These all qualities make him a lovable and adorable human being and can inspire many lives. His name will be written in golden letters in the history of cricket. Hope you like this video. Which characteristic of Dhoni you like the most? Share it with me in the comment box. Please subscribe the channel to get notifications of my educational and inspirational videos. Thank you.